27 small block Ford. Let's get them running. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AFR cylinder heads on it. As you see, it's a Borla stack injection. It's kind of unique. It's got that emblem there. I think this is the last of the Mohicans for those, so it's pretty cool. Shelby covers on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan, custom pistons. Got the March serpentine belt setup. Obviously, fuel management's by Holley Terminator X, great system. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,600, 489 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 552. Peaks horsepower 573, rated at 570. So front ends on it and everything, so it runs really good. Get her off there, get her crank, come your way. Have a great day.